Welcome to the final episode of our Reggae Month this week for this year's Reggae Month weekly coverage. Can you believe we're already at week 4, the final week? What a journey it's been. I'm Bree, and this week we're going out with a bang as we celebrate Kingston as the creative city of music, highlight parish celebrations, and close out February with some unforgettable events. Now let's make these final days count. Every February, Jamaica turns up the volume for something bigger than music, Reggae Month. It's a time when the world pauses to celebrate a sound born from struggle, spirit, and soul. But reggae music isn't just about looking back, it's about keeping the culture alive. Reggae gave Jamaica a global voice. Through the rhythm and message, it told stories of resistance, love, faith, and freedom. When we celebrate Reggae Month, we honor legends like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Dennis Brown, but we also shine a light on today's artists carrying the torch forward. And the lasting impact? Education, pride, and opportunity. Schools teach reggae history, communities host concerts and tributes, and young creatives are inspired to find their own voice. Reggae Month reminds us that our culture has value, not just as entertainment, but as history and identity. From Kingston to the world, February reinforces one truth, that reggae music is timeless. As long as the bassline beats and the message matters, reggae will continue to shape minds, uplift spirits, and represent Jamaica with power and purpose. Now we're starting strong the 22nd, a huge celebration in Kingston. Kingston Rhythms celebrating Kingston Creative City of Music at 12 noon in Festival Marketplace. The 22nd brings the grand finale of Ground Nation Week 4 at 2 p.m. at the Institute of Jamaica, exploring Jamaica to the world, Marcus Garvey, Pan-Africanism, and Rastafari. The fun continues at Mobay Reggae Night, which takes place at Harmony Park, while Dancehall Week kicks off with Boom Sundays, which is in full effect. You can grab the details on the Reggae Jamaica app, and Dolly Sundays brings the heat to Club Mecca. And if that's not enough, Kingston Rhythms is serving up one day, 2 events, a double dose on February 22nd. Now let's journey back to the golden era with the 80s and 90s hits at UDC West Street Car Park on the waterfront downtown. Then we shift to pure Raytown authenticity at Kingston Craft Market. From east to west, north to south, every corner of Jamaica is pulsing with the reggae vibration. So come out, link up, and support the vibes. Monday, February 23rd, Dancehall Week continues with Uptown Mondays at Savannah Plaza. Tuesday service, the weekly live music jam session, which celebrates its 2nd anniversary on February 24 at the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center. Now, Wednesday, February 25th is absolutely stacked. The Island Music Conference launches at 10 a.m. at Courtleigh Auditorium with the mission of uniting the world through music. The lineup is impressive. Keynote speaker Shine, alongside panelists The Genius, Etab Bear, Pepper, Tina Matalon, Grace Spice Hamilton, Alison Hines, Lila Ike, John Baker, and many more voices from across the industry. Now, this is the essential networking space where professionals make meaningful connections and sign some major deals. Wednesday evening keeps the Dancehall Week momentum going with Ramesh Games Night at 8 p.m. on Campbell's Boulevard. Jaria Reggae Wednesdays is also presenting Resilient Praise at Edna Manley College. And of course, Weddy Weddy brings the classic vibes to Stone Love HQ on Burlington Avenue. Thursday the 26th continues with the Island Music Conference at the Courtleigh Auditorium, followed by Vibes Thursdays at Deluxe Restaurant, and of course you can check out the details on the Reggae Jamaica mobile app. Friday the 27th brings another Island Music Conference session at the Courtleigh Auditorium. One of the highlights of Reggae Month is also the Reggae Gold Award ceremony at the National Arena. This year's main honoree is rocksteady pioneer Ken Booth. The evening's entertainment will also feature Luciano and the Reggae Philharmonic Orchestra. A number of other Jamaican entertainers will also be honored at this event. The events for Friday, February 27 continue with One Drop Worship at Praise House HQ on Mayfield Avenue, St. Andrew. Dancehall Week event finally, of course, is also taking place, so please check out the Reggae Jamaica mobile app for more details. On Saturday the 28th, Island Music Conference wraps up at 10 a.m. at Courtleigh Auditorium. Reggae Fusion Reggae Village at Bogwalk St. Catherine And of course, the Lost in Time Festival. Again, check the app for more details. We'll close out on March 1st with Street Parade at 6 p.m. in the streets of Kingston, Carousing After Party at 8 p.m., and of course, the Lost in Time Festival continues. As we wrap up Reggae Month 2026, I want to remind everyone that reggae isn't just for February. The venues, the museums, the concerts, and the reasoning sessions, they happen all year round. Make visiting reggae heritage sites part of your regular rotation. Support live music venues, and of course, buy music directly from artists when you can. To the international listeners, come visit Jamaica. Experience reggae in its birthplace, as there's no replacement for experiencing the music where it was created. And remember, reggae music carries messages of love, unity, social justice, and equality. In these times, we need those messages now more than ever. Let reggae continue to guide us towards a better world. Now that's a wrap on Reggae Month this week. Thank you for joining us. And of course, every week has been an amazing one. Remember to download the Reggae Jamaica mobile app to stay connected all year round, and follow JCDC Jamaica and PBC Jamaica on all social media platforms. Big respect to our partners, Chase Fund, for sponsoring this celebration. Until next February, come catch the rhythm. One love, one heart, one destiny. Bless up, Jamaica.